Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC, and today we are talking about the FTX Vantage. Now this car we have been running hard, we've been racing it for the whole of 2020 and we've been testing it on jumps, on grass, on dirt, on tarmac, and this car is amazing. For the money that you pay for this car, it is outstanding. But it's the end of the year, so it's time for me to have a look and see what damage has been done. So, I've got two cars here. The one on the left has been used once or twice, whereas the one on the right, which is my race car, has been used an awful lot. And I haven't really done much to it, other than add a heat sink, a GoPro mount, and also a transponder. This car is completely as standard. Now there is some servo tape that we've added at the back here, and what we found is that does just enough to stop the little stones getting into the spur and pinion gear. So I've had a quick look over the whole car and the wear is minimal. I mean, these tyres, the ones on the left are the newer tyres, although they look a little bit dirty. There is quite a bit of wear on the tyres, and there's some superficial damage to the shell where we're crashing and making contact, but overall it is very impressive. Now, one thing I have noticed, and I've gone over this before, is the servo saver. The amount of abuse this servo saver's taken, I'm not surprised it's a little bit worn, and to fix we're talking about £3, which I'll be replacing that shortly. With regards to the springs and the shocks and everything else, this car is perfect. It's hardly any wear whatsoever. It is worth saying that we are running the brushed cars, therefore they go a little bit slower, and we know that these cars are designed to run brushless, so therefore we expected the wear and tear on these cars to be a lot less. With regards to big brakes, I've had a bent shock where my car was driven into a tree, and one of our younger riders snapped his chassis. And the way he did that is he drove it into a brick wall. So if you've got one of these Vantages, don't drive it into a brick wall and it's going to last. That's about it really.